Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video about the upcoming launch of the Poco M2 Pro smartphone. The Poco brand is already confirmed the launch of the Poco M2 Pro smartphone in India on 7th of July. So already the Poco brand is revealed some of the features like it comes with the quad camera setup at the rear side, and then it having a side mounted fingerprint scanning. So it is not a super AMOLED panel. It comes with the IPS LCD display, and then it supports 33 watts fast charging support, and also it almost revealed the full design of the rear camera module, and it could be a Snapdragon based processor, and the display has comes with the center punch hole design to house the selfie camera. So the brand is already revealed some of the features and design of the Poco M2 Pro smartphone. So based on the design and features, it might be a remodel of the Redmi Note 9 Pro global variant. And firstly I need to confirm one thing, that the Redmi Note 9 Pro Indian variant and the global variant has few differences. Like the global variant has comes with the 64 megapixel quad camera setup, but the Indian variant has comes with the 48 megapixel quad camera setup. And likewise both the Redmi Note 9 Pro global and Indian variant has comes with the 5020 mAh of battery, but the global variant has comes with the 30 watts of fast charging support and has a 33 watts fast charger included in the box. But the Indian variant has 18 watts of fast charging support, and the 18 watts fast charger is included in the box. So these are all the major differences between the Redmi Note 9 Pro global variant and the Indian variant. And likewise the global variant Redmi Note 9 Pro has few differences in the camera module design. So that rear camera module design is almost matches with the upcoming launch of the Poco M2 Pro smartphone. So based on this, the upcoming launch of the Poco M2 Pro might be a remodel of the global variant Redmi Note 9 Pro. So based on that, the Poco M2 Pro comes with the 6.67 inch full HD plus display, and it is an IPS LCD panel, and it has a central punch hole design to house the selfie camera, and it has a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and on the rear side it has a quad camera setup, and beneath the quad camera setup LED flash is located. Then in terms of rear camera, it having a 64 megapixel primary camera that is based on Samsung GW1 sensor. In addition to that, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, 5 megapixel macro sensor, and 2 megapixel depth sensor is equipped. Then in terms of processor, the Poco M2 Pro is powered with Snapdragon 720G octa-core processor, and it combined with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. And finally the Poco M2 Pro powers with a 5020 mAh of battery with 30 watts of fast charging support, and 33 watts of fast charger is included in the box. So these are all the specs and features of the upcoming launch of the Poco M2 Pro smartphone. And likewise there is a color differences between the Redmi Note 10 Pro global variant and the Indian variant with the Poco M2 Pro smartphone. So that are the major differences between the Poco M2 Pro and smartphone and the Redmi Note 9 Pro smartphone. And likewise there might be some of the changes in the internal features in the camera, like it might be comes with the 48 megapixel quad camera. And for official information we have to wait for the official launch of the July 7th. And likewise the Poco M2 Pro smartphone price range is already confirmed by the brand CEO. It comes under the price of Poco X2 base model variant. The Poco X2 base model 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage comes with the price of rupees 17,499. So the Poco M2 Pro comes with the under rupees 17,500 price segment. So it might be a rupees 15k to 17k price segment. So in this price segment only already Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, Realme 6, Realme 6 Pro, and then Galaxy M31, all the smartphones are comes in this price range. And along with this price range, Poco M2 Pro will launch. So what do you guys think about this Poco M2 Pro smartphone? Let me know in the comments below. And if you guys like this video, hit the like, and if you guys still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, means hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video guys.